Hello, this is Lisa Langell with AIMSweb, and one of my favorite tips as a trainer is to show people how to use Progress Monitor in such a way that they can add multiple scores for students all on the same screen. So, in order to do so, it's pretty simple, just a couple of quick steps. First of all, you'll notice on my screen that there are students with multiple measures being measured. And what I want to do is, instead of showing all the measures at once across all the different areas, I want to show just one measure at a time. I'm going to choose Reading CBM as my measure. So I'll click Reading CBM. And now my screen refreshes and only shows the students who I'm progress monitoring right now in the area of our CBM. When I do this, there's a little red WK that shows up on top of the next score column that only shows up when you've filtered by a certain measure. Once I click that WK, now a screen comes up where all my students are on the same list. Some student schedules in this sample are already complete. You can see that at the top. However, as I scroll down, you'll see that other student schedules that I'm still monitoring show up here. And so I can literally type in scores for those students all on one page, and including any date across the week. Once I'm finished, I click Save, and all my data are entered for that week, and now I can skip to the next measure. So if I do maize, it then sorts by my maize measures. Or if I do Spanish, it will sort by those measures. So once you're finished with that, you can simply scroll down, show all again, and all of your students show back up. I hope this quick tip has been helpful. Have a great day.